Hello guys, in this video you will learn how you can set up and use your Meta Business Suite. So now the first thing that you want to do is to log in your Facebook account to your Meta Business Suite. I actually don't record the login process because there's a lot of my password and my personal data right there, so I skip that process. But you just basically log in to your account via your Meta Business Suite app. So now let's start. Right here on your Meta Business Suite, there's a lot of things or tools that you can use to boost up your Facebook business or your Facebook page. For example, right here at the top, you can see that you can create post, reel, story. You can also advertise and add some photo. So just tap on create post and then you can write something, add some video or photos that will help you boost your Facebook page. And then right here, as you can see, there is a to-do list or a comment that is unread. So now just tap on comments to see the unread comment. You can also tap on messages to see the latest messages from your Facebook page. And as you can see right here, you can get messages from Messenger, Instagram. There is also from WhatsApp. So there's a lot of options that you can choose right here. You can also generate some answer or messages that can help your customers right away. For example, the frequent questions that I receive from customer is how much our product is. So the automated response will be all 150. You can also add some button label right here or button link that your customer can tap, and then it will then direct them to a link from a shop or a website where they can purchase your product. Now after that, just tap on save. Now again, right here on your home page, you can see boost post. So when you tap on boost post, it will allow you to connect or reach many people that you want. And then right here at the bottom, when you tap on content, you will see all of the posts, the reels, the videos that you have posted to your Facebook page. And then after that, when you go again to the home page and then scroll down at the bottom, you can see right here the insights of your Facebook page. For example, the Facebook reach, from organic, from ads, and then also your Instagram reach from organic and from ads. You can also see right here the audience growth, and then as well as your audience. For example, your Instagram followers and then your Facebook followers. Your Facebook page likes from organic and from ads. So now by looking these insights from Meta Business Suite, you can now assess the things that you have to improve for your business to grow. For example, if you can see that your business doesn't reach any people, you can try boosting your post. And you can also create an ad for your business. There's a lot of tools right here on Meta Business Suite that you can choose or you can use to grow your business. And you can use this on your Instagram or your Facebook page. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching, and if you have a questions or comment, just comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!